Westermans here again with a 3-ton welding positioner, power tilt, variable speed. This machine will either be serviced to order with new controls, new electrics, or sold as is. As you can see from the video, the machine is actually working. Pendant control is obviously only a variable speed here. Could do with a good old clean down and grease up. Table underneath all the dirt is actually not too bad. Centering rings on there, and it actually does run at a nice slow speed. Obviously by the sounds of that, the actual chain is catching inside the guard. So it's also power tilt. This is a 3,000 kilo positioner. Chain obviously feels loose inside there. Of course, to service this would all be done, sold as seen. It's literally sold like this, so grab yourself a bargain on a 3-ton welding positioner. It's actually called a rotor weld, but I know it more as McCone. More details available from westermans.com. Thank you for looking.